Hello everyone and welcome to my channel From Pizza to Dal Chawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this delicious Indian dessert Moong Dal Ka Halwa. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. So first in a kadai, take 2 cups of moong dal and dry roast till it turns aromatic. Allow it to cool down and then blend it coarsely. In a kadai, take half cup of ghee and then add the moong dal powder. Roast the dal in the ghee. Cook it till it's aromatic and changes color. Our moong dal is perfectly brown in color now. Add 2 cups of milk. Mix and cook for 15 to 20 minutes. The milk has completely dried up. Add 1 cup of sugar and mix and cook till the sugar dissolves. In another pan, take 2 tablespoons of ghee and add chopped cashews and almonds. Roast them till slightly brown in color. Add the dry fruits to the halwa with 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Mix well and combine. Our moong dal halwa is ready now. Serve it warm. Garnish with some chopped nuts. So here is our delicious moong dal halwa. This is so perfect and crumbly in texture. So do try it yourselves and enjoy. If you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.